Hi, this is Mike again. Here we are, Honda Pacific Coast PC800. This is one of the greatest tourers you could buy, nice and low. Like a Goldwing, but a lot better on fuel, a lot more chuckable as well. Very, very good handling bike. And as you can see, enormous luggage, actually more than a wing, because these bags, you can actually fill them up right up to here. Basically right up to the height of the panniers, okay? So you can actually get more in this than a Goldwing. All you need is a top box if you want to complete the thing. But certainly a massive luggage capacity. Particular bike's done about 29,000 miles. I'll keep putting it up. Had it a couple of years now, but honestly, I still use the old one that's done like 100,000, and I want to put some money into my business, so it's time to go. But cracking bike. People do think you're the police when you come up behind them, so they do get out of the way as well. It's quite cool. But HID headlight conversion, so it's very bright. Put your standard H4 in, back in if you don't want to see anything at night. But cracking bike, fully rebuilt brakes on the front. They've got .5 fluid, which doesn't take your paint off, and also brand new seals, brand new pistons. Drums are good, you know, everything on it's perfect, otherwise I wouldn't be selling it. And the exhaust, dead good. That really is an immaculate exhaust, which on these, if they go wrong, you're looking 700 quid. Okay, cracking engine, very good. Couple of scuffs, obviously where me or the previous owners dropped it, but I can't remember dropping it myself. As you can hear, literally, you cannot hear these bikes. Very, very cool. And when you rev them, obviously, they start to go. Heated grips. Okay, heated grips are here. So you can have them on low, you know, go up as high as you want. Okay, that's on full. And the great thing is also, apart from a huge luggage capacity, we've got a voltmeter here. This will tell you what you're doing. With the heated grips on, obviously not a lot. As soon as you rev it, turn the grips off. As you can see, straight back up 13 volts, which is ideal. So as you're going along on tick over, you've still got 13. Obviously, it's just been started, the voltage will be low. But cracking bike, got built-in massive phone holder. This will hold my iPhone XR. Also got a built-in USB, which you can turn off or on. So if I turn that to on, that is now on. That's off, so it won't flatten your battery like the old one did. If you left it on too long, it would just flatten the battery. Also got a charging point, which you can use the USB. Well, I actually use it to charge the bike. This one here. Okay, you can actually plug the USB into that and then run that into the pannier if you want to. But with the USB on the bars, that's all I need because I've got a sound headset. If you're interested in this bike, give us a call at 177383566. It's Mike, or alternatively MikeChubbuckCCUK@mac.com, or give me a call. 07831383534. But it is a perfect bike. I won't be selling it. All the wheels, metallic powder coat. There you can see that. But beautiful wheels. This is actually a metallic powder coat I'd done. All new wheel bearings as well. As you can see, the HID really gets you seen. Okay, it's American spec bike, so you've got the indicators on all the time, which personally I do like. Gives you a lot more road presence. But, as you can see, beautiful bike. Give us a call. Thank you.